Setting up your smart dimmer. Please note the following warning and consult a licensed electrician before attempting installation. Note the following specification requirements before installing the dimmer. For this installation, you will need the following tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, pliers, and electrical tester. Step 1. Removing the existing switch. First, turn the power off on the circuit breaker for the switch. Remove the existing wall plate. Unscrew the existing light switch. Pull the switch out of the wall. Double check that the power is off with a non-contact voltage tester. If there are no other wires in the box, there is no neutral wire. You cannot use this switch here, and do not proceed any further. If there are white wires in the box, those are the neutral wires, and you can proceed to the next step. Step 2. Identifying the hot and load wires. Carefully turn on the breaker for this switch. Using the voltmeter, check each terminal. When the meter lights up, that is your hot wire. The other wire is the load. Turn off the power from the electrical panel. Ensure to label all the wires clearly to avoid confusion during installation. Step 3. Installing your new Wi-Fi dimmer switch. Disconnect the existing wiring. If they are in poor condition, cut and strip the installation for new wiring. Next, remove the protective film from the smart dimmer. Note the labels on the back plate of the dimmer with correct color and naming for each wire. Start with the white neutral wire from the dimmer and connect to the white neutral wires from the outlet and light. There should be 3 white wires connected together. Then connect the black line wire from the smart dimmer to the black wire coming from the outlet. Next, connect the red load wire coming from the smart dimmer to the wire coming from the light source. And last, connect the green ground wire to the ground wire from the outlet. Remove the wall plate. Safely tuck the wires into the socket and push the dimmer into place. Then secure with the 2 provided screws. Next, install the wall plate. Note the indication for the upright position. Push until it snaps into place. Then return power to the circuit breaker. Next, download the Globe Suite app. If prompted, allow Globe Suite to send you notifications to your device. Once installed, follow the on-screen instructions to register or log in. On the Add Device menu, choose Dimmers. Then, with your Wi-Fi username and password entered, select Next. If the indicator lights on the dimmer are flashing rapidly, you can connect using Easy Mode. If the lights are flashing slowly, pair the dimmer using AP mode by selecting it at the top right. Click on the How do I set device into pairing mode? And follow the on-screen instructions to set up a hotspot for the device. Once connected, turn the power on and off from the dimmer interface at the top. And adjust brightness by using the slider on screen. It's also possible to use the physical dimmer switch to turn on and off, and slide your finger down the middle strip to dim. To add a routine, select Routine at the bottom right. Then select Add a new schedule, choose the time to apply the schedule, and then select to turn the device on. Select brightness level and then choose Save. To set a timer for the dimmer, click the menu icon in the timer panel. Set the timer duration and then press Start to begin the timer. To set a minimum brightness, select the dimmer settings at the top right. Toggle on the minimum brightness switch and set the desired brightness. Now when the dimmer is switched on, it will automatically adjust to the desired minimum brightness. It's possible to set the minimum brightness from the physical dimmer as well by sliding your finger to the desired brightness while the dimmer is turned off. Then, when switched on, the dimmer will adjust to the desired minimum brightness. To create a custom smart scene, such as having a smart plug turn on when the dimmer is turned on, select Smart Scenes from the main menu. Then Automatic Scene. Click the Add button. Then, to choose your smart dimmer, select Device Status and Smart Dimmer. Then choose Power On. And then for the Execute Device action, select your smart plug and choose Power On. Press Save. It's then possible to edit the name to describe your smart scene. Save it, and then enable your smart scene. Now, when the dimmer is turned on, the smart plug will turn on as well.